Welcome back, astute entrepreneurs and visionary founders. Today, we're tackling a topic that often stirs up mixed feelings in the startup community. Exit strategy slide. A necessary evil? Including an exit strategy in your pitch deck can seem counterintuitive. After all, you're just starting, so why think about the end? But, as we'll explore, presenting a well-considered exit strategy is not about defeatism, it's about demonstrating strategic foresight and aligning with investor expectations. Let's dive into why it's an essential component of your pitch deck. First, let's address investor assurance. Investors, particularly venture capitalists, are in the game for returns. By outlining a clear exit strategy, you're directly addressing how they can realize those returns, be it through an acquisition, merger, or IPO. It's about showing you understand the investment lifecycle and are committed to generating value. Incorporating an exit strategy also showcases strategic planning. It indicates that you've thought deeply about the future and have plans in place for various market conditions. This level of foresight can significantly bolster investor confidence in your leadership and business acumen. A well-thought-out exit strategy reflects a deep understanding of the market. It suggests you've considered potential buyers or the feasibility of going public, demonstrating thorough industry insight and business savvy. Moreover, it highlights flexibility and realism. Acknowledging that market dynamics can change and having a plan for those eventualities shows that you're pragmatic and adaptable, qualities investors highly value. Lastly, far from showing a lack of commitment, an exit strategy can enhance your credibility. It signals that you're thinking like an investor, focusing on how to maximize shareholder value and ensure the long-term success of your business. So, while the idea of planning for an exit might seem daunting at first, it's a crucial part of your pitch that can significantly impact how investors view your startup. It's not a necessary evil, it's a strategic tool that, when used correctly, can set you apart in a crowded marketplace. Now, I'm curious to hear from you. How do you perceive the inclusion of an exit strategy in your pitch deck? Have you found it to be a hurdle, or has it opened doors in conversations with investors? Share your stories and insights.